Hello, today I'll be showing you how to fix the chain on a bicycle. Here I can show you I've already obviously lost the chain on the bike, it's popped off. So what you're going to want to do is put the chain back here. So originally it was like this, popped off like that, right? So you're going to want to put it back on top of it like that, right? So make sure that's on, right? So you're going to want to grab this part of the chain, pull it onto the studs. Make sure the gaps go on to the spikes, basically, right? So then you're just going to want to make sure that all lines up. And there. It should have clicked back in. So when that's not right. Hang on. What's happened there? Oh, right. So problem has happened. Is popped off this. So that's not good. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to push this chain. If this happens, push this chain to the side. So this happens. It gets like derailed. So then we're going to want to keep on doing it. And boom, it's fallen off. We're going to pull there. Right. So we're going to do this again. Put that back on. Hang on, if I can actually get it. Right. There. That on. Make sure that stays on. Right. Make them all align. Now, if you do this right, then you should hear a click. Now, I have done that right and I didn't hear a click. That can happen too. But, see, it works. Do it again. So when it works, you're going to want to pull this backwards and you'll see the tire spinning. That's how you know it worked. Right. Here we go. Bye.